The JVR Vac100 chamber vacuum sealer. It arrives on your doorstep like a tank that's been through a few battles. But when that FedEx man put it down on my step, he was careful because he was impressed with the packing. I chose to order the JVR Vac100 to deal with immense amounts of dog food that I make for Animal Saints Rescue Society. We go through 20 pounds a day easy for our 38 resident Shih Tzus. There's one now. Hi, Gilbert. In this video, I'm going to unpack the Vac100. I'm going to show you all the accessories that come with it and a couple of items I added onto my order because I was sure it was going to work out for me. The industrial strapping is impressive and helpful. The box had a few knocks and bruises, but everything arrived in perfect condition. JVR has definitely perfected its shipping methods, and the big reveal was fun. Pulling the foam out was a bit of a thing because it's thick and it's in there tight. But it'll be great for transporting the machine later. The included accessories came specially packed within the machine, which is nice. The vac pouches were set on top, and getting the machine out of the box was a bit of a chore because it's heavy. It's 55 pounds. But once you get your fingers in those hand slots, you get your leverage and you're good to go. You definitely need a little bit of muscle, though. Oof. The Vac100 is surrounded by a nice stainless steel fascia. It's a solid case. It will even look good if it gets scratched up, but I think it's probably not gonna get scratched up. It's pretty tough looking. Very nice graphics when you first open the machine. A custom foam pack for accessories standard in the Vac100. Literature is well printed. The warranty certificate has detailed information that makes you feel special. An extra seal strip. A fresh chicken. Whet my appetite. Was a little disappointed to find out it was rubber. These plates take up extra space so that you don't have to suck so much air out of the machine when you do your thing. The beautiful glass lid closes gently. It comes with vac oil to get you started, a power cable, suction hose for accessories, and a wine stopper. And of course, a screwdriver. Other things I ordered was an extra quart of oil because I expect to use it a lot. A couple vac pouches. I got 5x7 bags. This accessory is the 1 liter jar that comes with the item, with the Vac100. I got some 10x12 pouches as well. This is the 1 liter canister as it comes out of the box. Goodbye Ziplocs. First thing is to fill the machine with oil. It's a fun little process. You get to take out 3 screws and open the top. For some reason, the machine came with the power switch in the on position. I just flipped it off. The screws are very easy to put in and out. And the top just pops right up. There's a beautiful hinge on the inside, so you don't have to worry about anything falling. It's very obvious where you add the oil. This cute little funnel comes with the machine. And you just add the oil until it's halfway in between those two little marks on the plastic. Don't go too tight on that. Pop down the lid and you're good to go. By the way, the cover is shatterproof. Screws go back in the machine. Plug it in, turn it around, and I threw a little Thanksgiving turkey into one of the 5x7 bags for my first seal job. It's a very simple interface. I only had to hit a couple buttons and it was obvious what I needed to do. As long as you read the instructions first, there's only about one paragraph you really need to read. While the machine sounds kind of loud in the video, it's really not loud at all. You could whisper to your friend or under your breath, and everything would be heard just fine. I'm not editing here because I want you to get the full effect of how long this takes. Now you'll notice that I have a feeling it's not working because I don't know what I'm doing at this point. Oh my goodness. It looked like it wasn't working. I got all depressed. It worked. Look at that baby. Oh, that's a great magic trick. I gotta throw a party and have people over. Show them how to do that. So for my first production run, I was excited to get the Vac100 out and see how it would do. It took me a couple of bags to get the motions down and develop the body muscle memory. But once I did, I did my first 35 bags rather quickly, and I was confident that each bag was not going to leak. It's a very satisfying sound, a very satisfying process. Oh boy, I'm done. I just packed 5 pounds of dog food, and it's not gonna leak in my freezer. A great seal, a great machine. The Vac100.